Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? Hopefully my all friends and viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying the life with their family and friends. I'm also good, Alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So I'm going to share with you very impressive and very attractive ideas, cutest and stylish ideas, top trending fashion and top stylish fashion, short pixie hair cutting ideas. It's all are amazing and top trending fashion, short pixie hair cutting and hair styling ideas for ladies and girls. So keep watching my video till the end. You can see in this video very amazing and very perfect ideas about cute and stylish short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, messy and spiky pixie also. It's all are fantastic and fabulous ideas and amazing good looking ideas, short pixie hair cutting ideas and hair styling ideas. So don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's all our stylish, it's all our fantastic and fabulous ideas about beautiful short pixie. It's a fantastic and fabulous short pixie, long pixie, shaggy, edgy, messy and spiky pixie also. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's all our top trending fashion, top stylish fashion, short pixie. It's a fantastic and amazing ideas. Some are short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy, messy and spiky also. It's all our trending fashion, stylish fashion, amazing fashion and most demanding fashion ideas, short pixie. So please like, comment and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. Wow, it's amazing and lovely hair cutting ideas about beautiful short pixie. So please guys like, comment and don't forget sharing. It's all are amazing, it's all are lovely hair cutting ideas. Fantastic and stylish hair cutting ideas. Top trending fashion, top stylish fashion. Wow, it's beautiful, fantastic, adorable ideas, elegant style, short pixie, long pixie. Some are golden, some are brown, light golden, light brown, some are grey, silver, also white and black color also. You can see in this video also amazing and good looking different styles, highlights with purple color, with brown color. It's so beautiful and so stylish. fantastic and adorable ideas, short pixie, long pixie. So my dear friends, what you want to see in the next video, please comment me and feedback me in your good words, good comments. It's a fantastic and fabulous ideas, cutest and stylish ideas, top trending fashion, top stylish fashion, short pixie. When you visit my channel, you can get many more ideas like a short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edge, messy and spiky pixie also. And when you more and more visit my channel, you can get many more ideas like a bob haircut, like long bob, short bob, graduated bob, inverted bob, stacked bob, also blunt and pointy bob. It's all are amazing and top, cutest ideas, fantastic ideas. Short pixie hair cutting. It's top trending and gorgeous ideas, amazing and good looking ideas, short pixie. So please like, comment and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. Wow, it's amazing and lovely hair cutting ideas, gorgeous hair cutting ideas, short pixie. If you're a uni girl, college girl, if you're a working woman, office lady, house lady, you can easily try these all beautiful short pixie on your own hair. It's all our trending fashion, beautiful fashion ideas, short pixie hair cutting. Stop trending if you are go to any wedding ceremony, any party and any birthday. You can easily try this all beautiful short pixie. You look like a beautiful girl, like model and modern. Wow, it's amazing and lovely hair cutting ideas, fabulous and fantastic ideas, cutest stylish ideas, top trending fashion. Okay guys, now you have to go, but please don't go. Watch my video till the end.